Once upon a time in the mystical land of Vayupura, the village of Kavipuram was under the tyrannical rule of the evil sorcerer, Mayan. The villagers lived in fear and despair, until one day, a young warrior named Veera arrived. Veera, accompanied by his loyal friend Kavya, had heard of the legend of Maviran, a great warrior who had defeated countless evil forces. Determined to free Kavipuram from Mayan's clutches, Veera sought the guidance of the wise sage, Masi. Masi, a master of ancient martial arts and magic, recognized the potential in Veera and agreed to train him. Days turned into weeks, as Veera honed his skills and learned the secrets of the mystical realm. One fateful night, Veera and Kavya ventured into the forbidden forest, where they encountered Mayan and his army of dark creatures. Veera's heart pounded with adrenaline as he drew his sword and faced the enemy. "Prepare to meet your doom, Veera," Mayan sneered. Veera stood tall, his voice filled with determination. "Your reign of terror ends today, Mayan. The people of Kavipuram deserve freedom." The battle raged on, with Veera's sword clashing against Mayan's dark magic. Kavya fought valiantly by Veera's side, her staff glowing with ancient enchantments. Together, they unleashed a powerful force that pushed back the sorcerer and his minions. As Mayan lay defeated, Veera approached him with compassion in his eyes. "You have caused enough suffering, Mayan. It is time to let go of your hatred and find redemption." Mayan, his face twisted with anger and regret, spat at Veera's feet. "I will never change." Masi stepped forward, radiating wisdom and compassion. "Mayan, the path of darkness is a lonely one. It is never too late to choose a different path, to seek forgiveness and redemption." Mayan's eyes flickered with a hint of doubt, but his pride held him back. With a final curse, he vanished into thin air. The people of Kavipuram rejoiced as Veera and Kavya returned victorious. They hailed Veera as the new hero, the Maviran who had saved them from darkness. Veera, humbled by their gratitude, vowed to protect the village and its people. And so, the legend of Maviran lived on, inspiring generations to come. Veera, Kavya, and Masi became the protectors of Vayupura, ensuring that evil would never darken its lands again.